Okay, it's time to do some analyses. We're going to do this a little different than we did in the previous class. In the previous class, I did one big analysis and I walked through every gory detail. After I did that, I thought maybe I could do that better. So what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to do this in 3 steps. So the next 3 videos are going to be the 3 steps. The first one, or not 3 videos, but the next 3 sections. The first one is going to be a PDF of this piece exactly as I'm looking at it here. So it's not going to have the analysis on it. What I want you to do is download that PDF, maybe print it out, and try to do the analysis yourself. Okay, so do that first. I really think this will be useful. Do that, and then step 2 of the analysis process is going to be watch the next video, and in that I'm going to walk through the piece. Now I'm not going to go through every chord. I'm going to skip parts that repeat and not put in all of that stuff because I don't want it to be like an hour-long analysis because nobody wants to watch that. So, but I will go through all the significant and what I think is confusing things, most of the piece. In the case of this Greensleeves piece, it'll probably be most of the piece. And then after that, there will be a PDF of my full analysis. So you can compare yours to mine after watching the video, and anything that you did that I did differently, compare it and see if you can understand why I did mine differently, like what I did compared to what you did. And then if you have questions about that, if there's something that I did that you don't see why I did that or you don't understand it, that's totally okay. Post a question. And we will get to it as quick as possible, or I will get to it as quick as possible. And we'll get an answer for you. So I think the best way to really use this stuff is for you just to try it. I think you know enough now to try it and compare it to mine and see what I did different. And I'm hesitant to say where you went wrong and I was right because maybe I went wrong. But see where we differ and then compare the two. Okay, so that's the kind of 3-step process that we're going to do with this analysis. So here we go. In the next thing, you'll get a PDF of Greensleeves, and then after that, we'll be back here to walk through the analysis together. See you then.